Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Okay. And today you can rob. I'm playing JailBreak and I'm going to show you the best hiding spot there is. If you're playing hide and seek with a friend, just get a car and drive right over here. Any car works, and then hit the space bar. And then, actually, this one is bad. There we go. Oh, wait, no. Let's try that again, guys, because that was being all glitchy. There. So no one can see you, not even your face. And they cannot see your name tag. So it's pretty nice. And yeah, to get out, just spam C, and then you're out. Just spam the crouch button. Alright, guys. Let's go play. Well, actually, that's all I'm going to show you. And credits to VedDev. I did not find this. VedDev did. So have a nice night or day or whatever, whenever you're watching this. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.